Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by ensuring Word is updated and signed in so theme options appear. Open Word, then click File immediately. This gets you into settings without extra clicks. Once done, choose Options on Windows or Preferences on Mac OS. These screens control appearance. Make sure your document is saved, because some UI changes refresh the view. This prevents lost work. You're now positioned to switch themes and activate dark reading modes in the next step. You'll change the theme next. On Windows, open File, Account, pick Office Theme, and select black or dark gray to apply the overall dark UI. On Mac OS, go Word, Preferences, General, and enable dark mode under Personalize. Once done, switch Document View to Read mode or View Dark Background to make page content dark as well. Make sure to toggle any page color options so the canvas also becomes dark. This reduces eye strain during long sessions. You complete setup by confirming readability. Scan headings, body text, and inline objects for contrast and adjust between black and dark gray as needed. If embedded images or charts lose clarity, turn off the dark page color for that document or set image backgrounds to transparent. If the theme fails to apply, close and restart Word, confirm you're signed in and updated, and then reselect the theme. This simple restart fixes most display caching issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.